So for the practical activity today, you're going to need some really good quality cardboard, maybe from a reclaimed box or something like that. Mine is a dog food pouch box. You will need a ruler, a pencil, a pen and some good scissors that you can cut through the cardboard with. The next thing you need to do once you've got all the equipment that you need is look at the measurement diagram on the PowerPoint that has been posted on Teams. Pause this video here if you want the measurements from this photo. So first draw your 180mm line, measure the middle, which is 90mm, and draw your 45mm line all the way up from the middle. Now each of the sides are going to be 20mm each, and now all you need to do is join the top of the middle line to both of those to get the shape for your mobile. We will need to cut this piece out twice. So it was 45mm up. So what's half of 45? Measure where it is and make a mark on both pieces. So when you've marked your middle line, which is 22.5, one of the pieces is going to need to have a slot cut up. The other piece is going to have a slot cut down, and this means that they'll slot together like the picture on the presentation. And now they're slotted together, this is what it looks like. Now I need to make the holes to thread my decorations through. So I'm going to mark a centimetre in and a centimetre up on each of the edges to pierce a hole for my decorations to hang from. Put something underneath the hole so that with a pen you can pierce through the cardboard and it can go through to the thing that's underneath it, otherwise you may hurt your hands. Plasticine is the best for this, or blue tack, but I haven't got that at home, so I'm actually using a folded up sock. And I'm going to make a hole. Brilliant. So before I hang my decorations that I made last week, which were the laminated Marvel characters, I'm going to decorate this piece of cardboard. Now if you don't have paints or things to decorate this with, then you can just go ahead and hang the decorations. I've decided I'm going to decorate mine green to go with my marble theme, and I'm going to add some glitter to make it sparkly when it catches the light when it's hung up from the ceiling. Remember though, if you are painting your frame, you must clear up afterwards. We don't want any adults complaining, okay? I've painted mine green and I'm adding some glitter to my green. Everything looks more amazing with glitter, but if you haven't got glitter, don't worry, because I'm going to show you in part 2 how we can hide the frame and add more decoration. So now I'm just going to leave these to dry, and then I'm going to thread on my decorations. So now the frame is dry, I am going to use a big darning needle to thread my laminated decorations onto the frame. Now if you don't have a needle at home, then you can just make the holes big enough in the cardboard frame to poke the thread through and tie in a knot. Other things that are effective are fishing line, so that the decorations look like they're floating, and you have a choice really. I have attached a string on each one which is a different size, so that my decorations look like they're descending around the frame. Now they can be the same length or they can be different lengths like the ones I have here. So once it's threaded through, all we need to do is tie a knot and that will keep it on. just threaded up the line onto the one with the slots hanging from the bottom. On the top of the frame so it would hide any electrics from the LED circuits, or just to add a bit more decoration. So all you have to do is cut a slot into the centre of the paper plate and then fold it up so it becomes a dome. I have used tape so it's instant, but you can use glue or staples to fix that in place. And now that would protect any circuit board or make the top of the frame look decorative. This could be painted, you could add stars or any type of decoration that would go with the theme of your illuminated mobile. By drawing around a side plate and a cereal box. So for this paper dome I have painted it silver, cut out some stars and glued some craft paper on the back, so that when there's a light on the illuminated mobile the stars will shine right through. And now all I'm going to do is make it into a dome and thread it onto the mobile. For this one I am going to use a circle glue. So here's the decorated dome for the top. I've tried to make it go with the theme of Marvel, although I was very limited with my craft paper. But it's all about being creative and having fun.